Let's make Soulful House. Let's start by setting the tempo to 126 BPM, and adding a good punchy kick from my sample pack. A short clap. Some open hi-hats. And some closed hi-hats with swing. Let's also add some pan percussion to make the drums groovier. Then some crashes. And some shakers. If you want to get these drums, they're from my sample pack, the House Maniac. It has more than 200 high-quality samples including kicks, claps, bass shots, bass loops, synths and more. Plus there are also 10 MIDI chord progressions. The pack is affordable and delivers the best sounds to make your songs great. If you can get the pack, I'll highly appreciate it and will be a huge support. The link's in the description. Now, let's move on to the backbone of Soulful House, some soft electric piano chords. Let's take some off the lows from the chords to make room for the bass. Some room reverb. And let's use a multi-band saturator to add some saturation for the highs and the mids. For the bass we'll use this deep bass from my Serum preset pack. Let's use the root notes of our chords to make a good groovy bass pattern. Let's side chain this to the kick using a limiter. Make the bass mono. And add some EQ to take off the highs, some of the lower lows. And some compression on the low end. Now we need some pads. Let's side chain this. And use EQ to take off the lows. Then we need a vocal. Technically it's easier to work when you have a vocal before laying down the chords. Since we already laid down the chords, we need to find a vocal that fits those chords.
I'm ready for love. I'm ready. I'm ready for love. Make your move. I'm ready for love.
Now let's use a soft piano to make a melody following the vocals.
I'm ready for love. Make your move. Make your move. Make your move. I'm ready. Make your move. I'm ready for love. 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 Make love. Make your move. Love. Make your move. Love. Make your move. I'm ready for love.
I'll bump this to audio. Add some reverb.
Love. Make your move. I'm
Some delay.
love. Make your move. I'm
And some EQ to take off the harsh frequencies.
make your move. I'm ready for love.
At the second half of the drop, let's add some suspense pads. Guys, if you want to get my Serum presets pack, there's a link in the description. The pack contains more than 100 presets of acids, bases, leads, plucks, pads, and stabs. The presets are super high quality and fit to almost all techno genres, and make your work faster and easier. If you're interested in these presets, definitely check it out. The link's in the description. The drop is done, so let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the drums except the kick, the pads, and the piano chords. Let's chop up the piano chords to make something a bit simpler for the intro. Then let's add a respace for the lows. After 8 bars, let's revert the chords to the original one, and add the vocal and the piano melody. To make the song more interesting, I'll record the first chord, and reverse it into the song like this. And let's add the crashes to transition into the build-up. At the build-up, I'll add the suspense pads, some build-up drums from my sample pack,
Make your move.
and some risers.
Ready for love. Make your move. I'm ready for love.
Let's duplicate this, and change some elements in the second half of the song. I'll also use the vocal here. And use EQ to take both the lows and the highs, and boost the mids.
I'm ready for love. I'm ready for love. Make your move. I'm ready for love. Make your move.
Let's also add some reverb,
I'm ready for love.
and some delay.
I'm ready for love.
So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.